Good day, Dr. Ali and all my audience. My name is Abosede. I joined a team of 3 other people making effort to develop a swap it application that works on mobile device and websites where people, the orientation is humanitarian and the second value concept. So my function in the RO projects is in sprint 1 was to develop a bias panel with front-end HTML. And then the sprint 2, I developed the back end also to communicate with front end. So here is my code. I have database. I have models, teams, model, items model. I have public, but I have the bias HTML, the bias environment, and the environment here, and then a preference for the login and sign in, the routes, items, and then every other. Yeah, this is just my code. After opening the code, after you clone it from repository, I will share my repository. Here is my repository. I've shared it on the group on the main repository here. So after you have cloned this, it will just bring you here, and you just do. I'm not sure if node module is there. You don't have to do npm install. However, if it's not there, just have to do npm install. And then to run the code, you have to do npm run start dev. So it's already showed me that port listening at 8080. So I'll just navigate through to local port 8080 now. Yeah, this is port 8080 showing the first login site that was populated by James. So once someone put his email addresses and passcode, he authenticates and can just sign on. Then I'll just quickly, because of time, go to my own HTML. So after localhost 8080/bias.html will populate my own page. So here I have like if a buyer wants to buy goods, so it's already seeing all the items that are listed in the database. And if you want to send information to the seller, we just say, hi, I am interested in this. Yep, we just send it and then it drops. Because the seller also has a login function almost like that of the buyer, he can see this because this buyer can actually swap role as a buyer or as a seller. So when he's speaking information, when he's speaking goods, it's just coming as a buyer. So once he see, oh, this is what I want to see, he can see the project, he can see the item title and information. So we can just say, oh, this, because he's a buyer, he only filters and see. I was able to do the filter from the back end, but I don't think I perfect it on the front end. So once it populates, it communicates with the database and it shows all the information, the product items that are available. So you will just send notification and to the seller, who can also see this information. And after this is done, you can simply come here to delete the project. This has already been deleted. So this has been swiped out. The one I deleted was title 1. You can see that this is title 2. I don't have to refresh it to do. So these are the basic code options and what I was able to achieve. Unfortunately, I could not achieve much more, like to inculcate any other process, but I hope this makes a little bit of sense. Thank you very much.